Here's how to jump your car if it won't start. There is nothing worse than getting in your car, turning your key, and having nothing happen. No clicks, no lights, nothing. Because that generally means that your battery's dead. And obviously when that happens, we have to get some sort of power back in the battery so you can start your car. To open your hood, you want to find a lever either here on the driver's side footwell, or sometimes they're underneath the dashboard someplace here. Once you have your hood popped, there's either going to be some sort of a latch here that goes up or something that goes to the side. Use that, and that's actually going to open up your hood. And luckily on my car, once I open the hood, my battery's right there. On your car, it might just be a little post with a plus on it. I'll put a picture right up here so you can see what that looks like. Now, in the old days, you would have kept jumper cables in your car for this type of situation, but nowadays I like to carry one of these because this does not require you to have somebody else's car. It's a portable jump box that fits easily in either your glove compartment or under the floor, and it's especially convenient if you're at night or there's nobody else around. Basically how this works, you're gonna take your red for your positive, your black for your negative, and then just attach one of the alligator clips to each end of the battery or to that positive post, and then somewhere exposed metal inside the car. Then you're gonna take your jump box here, make sure it's turned on, and then you're gonna go ahead and hook it up to the jump leads themselves. Once you get these guys here connected, you'll see the lights will start to blink and they'll go green when the car is ready to jump. At that point, all you gotta do is turn your key and your car will start right up. Once your car is running, all you have to do is remove the negative first and then the positive, and you should be good to go. Now, I like to use this jump pack because it's compact. It'll start your car about 4 or 5 times on a single charge. It'll also hold the charge for about a year and start just about anything except a big diesel truck. You can also charge it right over here with USB, and comes in that nice little carrying case you saw before. I'll leave a shopping cart right here. You can go check it out yourself and see all the 5-star reviews. And make sure to follow for some more dad advice.